戦乱の時代、己が腕一つで世を渡り歩く男がいた。信氏である。定年退職し、サラリーマンという肩書きも会社の後ろ盾もなくなった一人の男、霞武史60歳。この物語はどこにでもいる還暦男が信氏の力を借りて自由に食事を謳歌するグルメファンタジーである。
Hey, how you doing? Hi. So we're today at a taco truck in East LA. Actually, we're on Atlantic Boulevard, so close by our house, and then we get to watch them prepare food. Oh, there they are right here, taco truck. It was kind of nice. They made it right there in front of us, so we're kind of enjoying that. And we're gonna have some taco time. Right here, get them down. All right, they didn't have chicken neck for us today, but we're gonna have some tacos. Here you go. Let's go over here.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're probably gonna keep ordering. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine. There you go, Bug. There you go. Ooh, wow! Look at that.
Which one's mine? Where's mine?
There you go. Okay, let's go. This one, we're gonna share all this one, and I want my hot sauce. I want not hot sauce. I should never say hot sauce. I should say salsa. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go like this. Brandon, you sit next to Bug. Okay. And you can eat this one, boo-boo. Okay? Good. Alrighty. Alright, hands together. And okay, you got ikimasu. Alright, cool. I'm gonna try. Okay. Those are chorizo, and that's cabeza, that's the head. So we got we got cabeza there, which is the beef head, which is that one, which is this one right here.
Where's the beef?
That's chorizo, right there. And then we got Brandon going to be trying some lengua, which is the tongue, and then that's beef. That's beef right there. So there's what we got here. All right. So me and Nelly got the. Is that your first sangria? A little sweet.
No, it's fizzy.
Is it fizzy? Yeah. It's very fizzy. This I never drink Coke, hardly ever, but we're having it. Okay, let's eat. Try it.
Put it in the middle.
Okay, try it. You try one. I'll try one.
Is this one's tongue?
Yeah, it's the tongue, Brandon. Go ahead, try the tongue. Yes. No, not that one. The other one. That one's the tongue. Yeah, eat the tongue. Try the tongue. Eat the tongue. Is it? That's the chorizo. Good.
Yes.
Brandon, try the tongue. It's hot. Yeah, go. Try it.
I need a napkin.
I'll get you a napkin and say, go ahead, try it, Brandon.
It's hot.
I know. You can do it.
A little good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Lengua taco, that's what that is. Get a little. How is it? Good. That's the tongue. Yeah, that's the tongue. Okay, so I'm gonna try I'm gonna eat the cabeza. I love the cabeza part. It's the head. Okay, here you go. And I want mine with salsa on it.
I totally forgot about
I'm gonna put mine with
salsa.
salsa and mine with lime. Now, here. That's incredible. That is incredible. Wow. That is incredible. Oh my gosh. It's all the flavors of cabeza. If you don't know what it is they take the cow head and they cook it down so all the parts just all fall off. I think they boil it. I don't know. And then It's just all the bitsy parts. That's what you get from the cow. It's awesome. It's like kind of like how head cheese is made like that. It's just a head. So it's got all the, you know, like the cheeks and all that stuff. The nose, snout. It's really good. It's probably not the worst thing for you, but it's good. So anyways, hit the subscribe button, comment down below, and share the video. Bye.
Bye. Oh, I'm sorry, just like.